French manufacturer Dassault Aviation plans to significantly increase the production of Rafale fighter jets. The target for 2025 is 25 aircraft, but discussions are underway to ramp up production to 48-60 units annually. Additionally, the possibility of establishing overseas production lines is being considered. In 2024, 21 aircraft were produced, and the plan for 2025 is to manufacture 25 units, at a rate of 2 aircraft per month. The company is expanding component production to transition to a pace of 3 Rafale every 30 days, totally 36 aircraft annually. There are plans to further increase the rate of 4 to 5 fighters per month, allowing for up to 60 aircraft per year. Eric Trappier, the head of Dassault Aviation, noted that increasing production rate will take at least 2 years. He shared this during the presentation of the company's 2024 activity report. Rafale has a substantial order backlog, and at the current production rate, fulfilling existing orders will take 9 years. As of 2024, Rafale has 220 order units,